I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peach make me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the gram, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I wasn't for you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I turned this failed Flexi Rod set into a bomb fluffy braid out. I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, some water, and an oil mixture that I made. Those are the oils that I included in that. And I'll also be showing you guys that I used some Eco Styler gel. So I'm going to just be using my warm water continuous spray bottle to just moisten the area first. Now, being that this is on old hair, not old hair, but hair with product already in it, I just want to work that water in before taking some of that curl enhancing smoothie and putting that on it next, just for like the C in the LCO method. And I just want to make sure that I coat those ends because y'all, my hair was so dry. It felt like I had never put any product in it. It was so terrible. So I just want to make sure that I moisturize those ends, and then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb just to make sure that it's detangled, but it was pretty detangled from the first hairstyle that I tried and failed at. And then I'm going in with my hair oil mixture, and I'm just going to put that on top of that section just to make sure that I lock all that moisture in before going ahead and braiding off this section. At the end, you will see that probably the last inch I 2-strand twist, and then I take some of that Eco Styler gel, coat the ends, and kind of do like a light finger coil just to make sure that those ends are really going to be nice for when I take it out. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys pretty much like the intermediate process of things. So this side is already stretched. I stretched the back half with a blow dryer, and this side I have not done yet. So hopefully you guys can see the difference, but I'm gonna stretch this side and then I will be back to show you guys the final look. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I was going for like a chunky braid out, which honestly, I'm loving this y'all. Like it took me no time to do. I'm definitely getting the volume that I love and that I need because girl don't look the best, you know, with straight flat hair. Like my head a little bit too big for that, just a little bit. So I definitely like the big look. This is what it is looking like on each side. I don't know how the back is looking, and I don't really care because the front looked good. So this is all that I have for you guys. I will try to see if I can find a picture to insert of the very first like chunky braid out or chunky twist out that I ever tried, just so you guys can see how my like hair growth journey is going. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this like saves you guys if you guys mess up on a hairstyle and you like, oh my gosh, I need to do something quick. But I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, join the family, because like I said, we always saving coins. These were products that I had in my stash, and these products can be found at Walmart for the low. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.